Do you strive for close cooperation from development to production? Fette Compacting is here to serve as your trusted partner for innovation partnerships. We offer our services in the pharmaceutical, nutrition, and chemical industries, with the goal of engaging in a constructive dialogue with you about the factors that are most important for your production needs today and in the future. Early involvement and close collaboration are the keys to unlocking efficiency. If you are seeking ways to streamline your operations and improve your bottom line, we invite you to take advantage of our extensive expertise. Our digital tools provide you with targeted insights into the latest industry developments, allowing you to optimize your processes and stay ahead of the competition. We welcome businesses of all sizes and from a wide range of sectors to join us in our mission to take their operations to the next level. Let us work together to explore new avenues for growth and innovation. Reach out to us today and discover how we can enhance our partnership to drive even greater success. Together, to the next.
Fette Compacting. Be efficient.